Okay, so this is ClassDojo, and I'm sure maybe many of you have heard of this website. And I've heard of this website, but I've never used it, and I really wanted to learn how to use it. Somebody in our class in another assignment was talking about ClassDojo, and I thought it really sounded interesting, the things that she was saying that she could use it for, so I thought I would explore this. So really this one is just for me, because I had to do it for a class. I actually sat down and looked at it, and I'm just going to use this demo class. And so you put in your students, and some of the things that I like about this is that you can click on a student, and then you can give positive feedbacks like helping others, and then you could also, if Bradley Pitt was doing something that maybe he shouldn't be doing, like a disruption, then you could put that. Something that I really liked was the messages. And these are just things that you can print out about, how the kids are doing in class, but also you could print little messages or send little messages for parents, about conferences. Then there's also stories. So when I see this, I think of this as more like maybe Twitter. You could just put little things on here and post it, and have parents post and look and see what's going on in your classroom. So I really, when I got to actually take the time to look at this, I really found that this really could be something that I could use. And then there's like a toolkit, and there's music you can put on, and a noise meter. I'm really interested in the noise meter, and a timer. So just some useful things. We do a lot of Kagan in our school, so this Think, Pair, Share would fit right in with our Kagan activities. I think you can also set this up, set your students up in teams. However, because we do use Kagan, our teams have to be set up in a certain way. They have an attendance that you can use, which I would not be able to use because we do our attendance different. But now that I've really had a lot of time to look at this website, I think it's great. The standard, the ISTE standard I picked was ISTE T.2.A, and I think this is just really good for students and parents and the teacher. So I hope that next year I can introduce this into my classroom fully, and I hope that maybe tomorrow I can try out some of the little tools like the timer and the noise meter, and see how it works.